Hi, here's the Seasons fan made by Air Cool. I'm going to go ahead and turn on low. Visual medium and high. Also, this is a brand new Zenear 268S6 full chain switch. The old Wu-Pin full chain switch broke off at that speed. So we had a maintenance lady replace the pull chain switch. And yes, they had spare ones. And yes, Air Cool did make some Hampton Bay Huntington 3. But it seems like most of them are made by Sharon Lewin and imported by King of Fans. There has been pattern of Wu-Pin chain switch breaking. Whoever replaced the chain switch said to pull the chain sideways and not straight down. But the light chain, it can pull straight down. A slight wobble makes a veering noise as well as air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.